What is the difference between a want and a need?
No, I have no idea, but I would like to learn.
A need is something you need to survive on.
I guess food and clothes.
Shelter. Something that I want is like something like that I could use for like pleasure, just like for having fun.
You just want it to help you, well, to make you happy.
It's basically stuff that you would like to have, that it's not a necessary thing that you would have in your everyday life.
Why is it important to track what you spend?
So that you know money's not something to really play with. You gotta know where it is and how much you're spending, when you're spending it, and just keep track of your financial history, I guess.
Because you don't want to be broke the next day and have nothing.
Just in case, like, you forget, like, what you spend your money on.
To know, like, if you're losing money or if you're gaining money.
What would be your best advice about money?
Save your money and try to be responsible.
Don't rely on money so much. It can only get you so far.
At the end of the day, do what makes you happy. Instead of trying to chase the money, do what makes you happy and the money will come to you.